some news. That was not on purpose. Okay, let me make sure everything's working again. I'm sorry, guys. Good thing I caught it before the fact. Good thing I caught it before the fact. I don't know what's going on with the mic. I think it has to do with the Wi-Fi. I am like in the very top story. Okay, that's better. Let me know if the audio is bad. Um, we are in a studio today. We could be as loud as we want. That's that's exciting, guys. We're leveling up this year. We are in a studio. I thought I'd just try something different. I don't know if I like it. Maybe it'll be a permanent thing. Who knows? God willingly. You know. Let's see what we do. Like I was saying earlier, before I turned off the live stream, my mic was not working. We have to make $179 today to make half of what we lost last week. A lot of it is responsibility. You just gotta be responsible. We'll go short 2 contracts. Stop loss is gonna be above here. 1, 2. And the reason I'm going short is because we've gone higher. We went lower. And we've timed this. And there's this medication block. I mean, this balance price range right there. So I believe we could start dropping lower. Maybe it wasn't the smartest thing going in with only two. I only have 2 screens right now. Well, 3 counting my tablet. So I'm really limited with screens. So let's make this one a 5-minute. Okay. Let's get my other screens out here. 93, 6, 6 hours. Okay, that's good. We're leaving relative equal highs. That's not bad. That's a good sign. Just gotta make sure the audio is working. Okay, sounds like the audio has been working this whole time, so I'm gonna stop worrying about the audio. I'm gonna start worrying about the charts because divided mind can be easily or swayed. So I gotta focus. I gotta lock in 1 day, 6, 3. What charts do I need? I need a website is kind of laggy over here. I forgot to bring a mouse. So everything feels so lethargic right now. Okay. Now that I have all my other charts, now I can see price action a little more clearly. I know what it wants to do. My mic's trash. I'm so sorry, guys. I should have. I think it was the fact that I was charging my tablet. Now I gotta figure out where do I charge this tablet because I need it. I need it at the moment. Take that off. There we go. All right, I'll let that charge for a minute. This right here. Tablet on the side. Okay, it's gone lower, it's gone higher. What am I looking at? This relative equal low, highest right there. That's a good target to aim for. The reason I'm still in the trade would be because this candle hasn't closed yet. Because it hasn't closed yet, I'm assuming it's going to close a down close. If it closes a down close, then I could use that open to the algorithm could use that open to then take price back lower. That's what I'm hoping on. We've tagged the bottom of this order block right here. Let me highlight it. And now we're going to fully tag it. Okay, we're showing strength. Not bad. I still want to see this be a down close. And I'm offside. I am offside, which is fine because now I can trust that this will be going higher. So I'm confident in the move for the upside. Because if this doesn't appear to want to close it down close, so that's a sign to me that we are actually trying to go higher, which is fine. You know, you take losses to get a clear bias on price sometimes. And now I'm targeting an order block on the 90-minute. Guys, this is like Olympic trading. I don't have three screens, barely looking at anything. All right, that's a good sign. That is a really good sign. Let me know which other trading influencer could do this. Who could show up, have audio issues, and still get onside a good trade? Come on, name him. Name him. Because there ain't nobody else out there like me. Not a single other trader could do this. Man. Alright, we're gonna wait for that. We do need to go to the 30-second, 15-second, 5-second, 1 second. And if you think these time frames are jokes, you're missing out. Because the 1 second, 5 second have so much details, so much information that everybody can take advantage of. Delete this. I'll actually take a picture of the thumbnail. There we go. We gotta wait for it. Well, I am looking at a 15-second chart. Brendan, best friend. I'm live streaming right now. What's up? What's up? Not much. I'll call you once I'm done. Is that cool? What time do you have class? All right, I'll call you. When do you end class? All right, bet. Let's see it. That's Brendan. He's a great man. Works hard, goes to school, you know, one day to be a history teacher. Let's change this. Let's add that. Select, save, hit 5. We'll delete this one. Sorry, guys. Just gotta keep it organized. The more organized I am, the better. Yeah. All right, we're going lower. I'm looking at this candlestick right here. I'm looking at this candlestick right here. I'm looking at this one right there. I'm looking at this fair value gap right here. I'm looking at that order block right there. I'm looking at this high on the 15-minute chart. And in my head right now, I'm thinking, what time frames am I not looking at that I should be looking at, but I'm too busy. Like the 12 hour, too busy not looking at the 12 hour. Let's take some profit. So I got fully out of that position. I'm gonna go short two. I'll put my stop loss right there. And before you think this is scared trading, just know that I am limited to 3 screens, and it's not enough. I need my 7 screens. All right. It could go higher. There's an order block right there. But before that order block, we have this volume imbalance. I hope you can see the volume imbalance. Right, right there. Right there. Volume imbalance. And we got the order block right here. And we have liquidity above here. But I'm basing my trade off the 12-hour chart right now. Do like go one there, I went up here. Okay. And all I have to do is wait for this engineered liquidity to be taken out. I should focus on what that means. So that, okay, okay. Tag that, tag that, we tag that. I need to look at a 30-minute chart. Shit, this is harder than I thought. Let's go to a 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. The fringe is this? Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Let's save this, save. There's an order block on the 1 hour, 30-minute. It's tagged. That's tagged a time delay. That's a good sign. Now I gotta wait for it to really start going lower for me. What did we end up tagging? We ended up tagging that order block actually really precisely. Let's do it. Right now, the market's just doing quick, sharp turns. I don't really know why, but it's not an issue because volatility means quick moves, and quick moves are always very nice to be in when you're on side. When you're offside, it feels like the worst punch in the gut. Okay, we're tagging back that, we're tagging that. There's no harm, no foul because we still have that right there. This is a 2-minute chart. We're tagging that. That's good respect. I want to see it close now. What's in the way? That's in the way. That's in the way. That's in the way of this. what's in the way. This is in the way. I don't know if you could see that, but this is an implicit fair value gap. That's one of my concepts. That's an implicit fair value gap. That's in the way of this getting tagged. Okay, we're going much lower. I hope you know that this is a 30-second chart. Now I'm in a 1 minute. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let it fall. Let it drop. Let it just sink to this order block. What's in the way? We have that right there. So I'm going to take most of my position right there. And I'm not going to care about greed, nor am I going to worry about what could have been. What matters right now, right? This is real day trading advice. What matters right now is making profit. If I could make profit, that's all that matters. My ego, right? My ego wants to say, get in and get the best exit, the best entry, and call it before the fact and be that guy and be that guy. But trading isn't about being right. I was in drawdown. That's good. Trading is not about being right. It's about making consistent profit. Okay, that's in the way. That's at two. Let's put a stop down there. Sell. Let's do two right there. Confirm it. Now let's wait for it to start going back higher. All right, that's a 10, that's a 15, that's a 45. 30. Now we're tagging an order block in the 1 hour. Okay, that's fire. We tagged an order block in the 1 hour and a fair value gap and a candle. And we fully rebalance that. And we have that right there. What's in the way of that? All right, I think we're in a solid move. I'm gonna add one more just for good luck, just for good luck. And I'm gonna sit through whatever drawdown, whatever drawdown it wants to go through. Um, this has become irrelevant. This is still very relevant. Let's make this one black. That's a candle wick gap, candle wick gap. There's an order block. There's a fair value gap right here. There is an opening. I mean, there's a close right here. I guess you could say rejection block, but it's a close. And then you have this low right here, but before that low, you have this open of this C. That's an ICT concept, this C. And you will want to wait for it to take those highs. So I will take a partial. Always pay yourself. I'll take a partial here, and I'm gonna make sure that I take a partial above here, and everything else I'm just gonna let it ride for me. And I'm gonna drop to a 30-second, 15-second to analyze everything else. Everything looks healthy. Everybody's going long, so I should be concerned that they might want to take it lower to engineer liquidity to then go back higher. That's good. That's good. I got my first partial. Next thing I'll do is go to a 1 second chart just to flex on everybody who doesn't know how to use a 1 second chart. Flexing is going good. I like to flex. Now let's go to a 5 second chart just to flex to those who can't trade a 5 second chart. And let's go to a 15 second chart. That's dope. Now we're gonna wait for it. And there's those highs right there. I want that to be used as rocket fuel if we are in a strong sell program. If we're in a strong sell program, we will use that as rocket fuel, just like that. Just like that, and really take my second partial out with speed, no looking back, this fully algorithmic volume, just saying, you know what? I just gotta wait for it. On a 1 minute chart, this would look best, but we're in a 15. Let's go to a 5. Look what it's doing. It's time delaying. Okay, it is time to land, so I should use my research. It's fine. All right, let's go to a 1 minute. I told you it looks better in the 1 minute. On a 15-second, it looks kind of messy and dirty, and you're like, that's not cool. But too precise. I am way too precise. And boom. Let's wait for it. Too precise. Whoa. I gotta get better at that. I gotta be a little dirty. Gotta be a dirty boy sometimes. Wait for it. Wait for it. What time is it? It is 1:23. Wait for it. We have 20 seconds. I hope you could admire the level of precision I have in this market. Can you admire that? Like, drop a comment, drop a like, say good job, pat me in the back or something. But now I gotta focus. We have that order block. What's in the way of the order block? This fair value gap. Do I want to add one more? Yes, I do. I do want to add one more. I'm gonna lift this one up, and the second we go back up there, I already have a partial. But because we are in drawdown, we gotta be conservative. We gotta be conservative. Always think about making money and putting it in your wallet besides being right and becoming rich. If your goal is to become rich in the market, you will always be poor. Your goal should be to be consistent and make money, not get rich. Making money will always occur in the market. Getting rich does not, especially if you're poor. If you're poor and you want to get rich trading, just know that you're filled with greed. And because you're filled with greed, you can't see your blind spots. And you have many blind spots. All right, I'm gonna add one more. Confident in this one. And I'm gonna wait for it to actually start taking me higher. Uh, Imagine a bus stop, right? You're sitting in the bus stop, and bus is a little late, so you gotta wait for the bus. But this is all that is. It's you're waiting for your bus. Maybe there's some delay. Maybe you see these down close candles. There's a delay. The bus driver's late, but at the right time, he's going to speed up. And he's going to make it. So I just gotta wait for it. We have 4 minutes until new 15 candlestick opens. What's right below that? My attention should be at that candlestick open. It is a 115 candlestick open. What else is that? What's here? Fair value gap. So I wouldn't be surprised if we time delay inside here, which we are time delaying. It's not a real big issue for me. If we probably don't take this high out and we tag that fair value gap, then go higher, I wouldn't be surprised. Um, but it is something I'm opening my mind to that yes, we could do this, where we start going to this fair value gap and then start going back higher. All right, we use those relative equal highs. Let's take what we just opened this. Did we just open this? It's a 125. No way, it's 125. Nice, nice. Wait for it. Wait for it. We're time delaying. Oh, that's a good sign. We are about to rocket fuel for. We're about rocket fuel. Let's see it. We have all the criteria. We have all the criteria to rocket fuel. Come on, baby. Just wait for it. We have 2 minutes. I might want to do it at 1:30, which is okay. We'll wait for 1:30. And here we go, baby girl. Do you like the way it's using this 15-second order block. No, it's a 30-second order block. It's using this 30-second order block. And you see those lows right there? Yeah. Yeah. Boom. Takes those out. There's still that fair value gap I was talking about from that low to that high. That's a fair value gap on the 1 minute chart. And we gotta wait for it. Okay. Pretty confident this move. Gotta wait for this. Let me go to my higher time frames. I haven't checked the higher timers in a fatty. Lower, 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 lower. Okay, we've tagged that. We've gone lower. Not lower. Not the craziest drop lower. Not the craziest drop lower. We've gone lower. Oh, something's tingling in my spidey senses. I'm gonna take one off. Take one off. We have two contracts on now. I'm risk managing. Alright, I gotta develop a system where I'm looking at higher time frame and lower time frame. I gotta switch back and forth. Okay, we got there. We've gone back higher. Was I was wrong. I was wrong. It's okay. I realize there's gonna be a lot of moments today where I'm just gonna switch back and forth because I don't have that many screens, which is fine. I like the challenge. I like to challenge myself. This is no longer rocket fuel, and it just becomes another turtle soup. We have that low right there, and we have 1 minute order blocks right here. We got a 1 minute order block right there. We've gone lower, so now we could probably go higher. What's in the way? There's that in the way. But wait, look closer. We've tagged that out. Why should we start going back higher? Or my stop. What scared me? What scared me out this trade? Something did. Alright, going back to the higher time frames. Yeah, that scared me. The fact that we have an order block on the 10 minute, that kind of scared me out of my trade. I don't think this will go higher. I think this is definitely going to go lower. I think I'm still on side. If it takes me off, I'm taking a small little break just to reanalyze myself. Just to reanalyze myself. And I should risk manage. I don't think it wants to go higher. Only I had like all my charts together. 10 minute. The 10 minute and the 15 minute that are throwing me off. The thing is, we could have relative equal highs right here, and then start going lower. We never have to take that high out. We could just tag the high and never take it out. I also don't want to lift up my stop because that's just a bad habit. It's a dirty habit. It's like picking your nose. Okay, we tag that. We're going back higher. I'm not gonna lie to myself. Yes, we'll start by one, by one. I guess I was wrong. Okay, I think the best thing I could do right now is just sit out and wait. Reanalyze myself. 66. Okay. What was it at? We gotta make 170 something, so we need a move that could give me at least 100 handles, and I'll be content. I mean, that will give me $100, and I'll be content. Gotta reanalyze everything. I think it wants to go lower. We have a lot of reasons to go lower. Um, just by looking at the higher time frame. But we could, like I said, tag this, make relative equal highs, and then get them. So I'm just gonna chill for a bit. Chill. All right. What time is it? It's 1:34. I don't know. I need to see this high get taken out for me to want to get in or not. Yeah, I need this high taken out. I'm lost. I'm lost at the moment. Again, I want to see equal highs and equal lows, just like that. Okay, I like that. Normally I would challenge it and go in long and go in short because I want to be right. But I'm taking a pause. I'm getting out the trade. I'm refreshing myself. I'm getting a bird's eye view. I'm looking at different time frames. I'm going back and forth, trying to really make sure I'm on side. I'm not just forcing a bias that's not in the market at the moment. All right, let's wait for it. I'll get in once we tag the order block. If we tag the order block, then we'll like get in again. The order block would be this one right here. That. I'll wait for it. We hit that. We tag that. We've gone lower to go higher. It's gone lower to go higher. We have that. Nope. I'm not gonna challenge it. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna miss a move. I'm gonna miss a move. I'm gonna miss a move. If I miss the move, is that gonna make me a bad trader? No. It's actually gonna make me a really good trader because a good trader protects his capital. And protecting capital is what we do. We're not rock stars in this. We are money managers. So it's best that I do sit out, take it as a learning lesson, take it as a learning lesson, and next candlestick I'll get in. I mean next move I'll get in. I'll code switch. Code switch right now. Let's see. We're going lower, which is a good sign. I'll go to my. We'll check the higher time frames again. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, I am good. Even though I'm not in the move, something was. I knew something was fishy about it going higher. I knew about the order block and the other time frames. It just didn't. Not that it didn't make sense. It just wasn't. The market wasn't screaming it. Okay, let's wait for it. There could be a lot of back and forth, so we tag that. We took that out. That's 1 minute. Let's zoom into the 5 minute. We took that out. Time delayed. We are time delayed. So I'm gonna sit out for a bit. Let's see. 150. 150, I'll start looking for another setup. That is good, guys. This is good stuff. Tagging that. Now we're going lower. We've gone lower. Go higher. Go higher. We've gone lower. Let's go higher. We take that out. Now we've gotta go lower. Right, there's that down there. What's in the way? There's that in the way. There's that right there. There's that right there. Alright, once that gets tagged, will I think of getting it? Until then, I am neutral. Actually, no, I'm not neutral. I'm bearish. Go short one. Wait for it, 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 wait for it. I said wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Now, let's risk manage. Uh, 5, what, 2, burn. And now I want to see this start going back lower. We've tagged that. There's that in the way. There's that. Now there's liquidity above it. Alright, we'll tag it. And then we'll start going back lower. Just gotta wait for it. Just wait for it. Okay, that's fine. It's okay. That is okay. We've gone lower. We've tagged that. We're now tagging this right here. This purple highlighted area. I want to wait for the next candle to reveal to me what it wants to do. I am targeting this low. I'm targeting this low. I'm targeting this right here. Okay, we opened a 10-minute. Going back higher. We go back lower. Now we're going back higher. We need to go lower. I'm so confident in the move. I'm confident. Wait for it. Let it drop. Let it drop. It's going to do it so quickly right now. Just wait for it. It's 141. It should do it with speed. It should not look back. Every guy and gal who's gone long, it's about feel it. They all think it's going long right now. They all think it's going to spool higher. And here I am. Smart money. I'm about to take advantage of their sell stop right here. One. Wait for it. Please, right above there. Are relative equal highs. I'm protected. Think I'm protected. Relative equal highs. Making one more relative equal high. That's good enough to have people think Well, what's wrong? Let's wait for more information. We could do relative equal highs here. We're taking out liquidity just to go back lower. Let me see why I could be wrong. Probably why I'm wrong. I'll go into higher time frames and find out what did I miss, what's going on. Darn side is here. I don't think I'm missing anything. I think this does want to go lower. I just probably got in too early. Our stop loss was too close. Needed a wider stop probably. Yeah, that might be the case. Should I chase it? You know, scared money doesn't make money. That's perfect. Went higher. Scared money does not make money. Just gonna wait for it. I just need $100, and I'll make half of what I lost. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, my stop was just too close. I'll work on that. I'll improvement. Also think what's gone over my head has been first liquidity. You don't know the market's going for liquidity. It's not just going for inefficiencies, it's going for liquidity and inefficiencies. That's one of my issues at the moment that I have to work on. Let's go back to the higher time frame. I want to say I want to see that I can take now, but I'm not sure. Get a closer look at it. Get a closer look at this thing. There's that fair value gap on the 15-minute chart. There's that order block right there. There is that engineered liquidity right inside there. And there's that too. We are time delaying. And there is engineered liquidity right below that. Maybe. Right here. Right there. Much drawdown line. 78. That. Get out one there. Let's see if we can add one more. That's fine. Let's go to a 15-second. There's an order block right there. There's relative equal highs right there. Let's go to a 30. Again, there's liquidity up there. 1 minute, there's liquidity above there. 2 minute, we have a 2 minute. Let's go to 30. Oh shit, that is strong. Strong moves. Like I said, volatility is crazy. Yeah, fix what messed up. Right there. Where did we go? Yeah, that's what I thought. Relatively equal. Come on, go a little higher. Short. Haha, bitch. Got ya. Oh, you're not gonna scare me away. There we go. Let's wait for that low to be taken out. Wait, they're adding volatility at the moment. Let's take it up here. Did you see that? As it went higher, I got in. I literally fucking got good premium on that short. Right, I'll wait for it now. It's like a fucking fight. I gotta like lock in. It's a real fight right now. Army says take some partials right now. Let's let's wait. Because we have that high right there. We have this high right there. That's a 10-minute, 15-minute, 10-minute. Wait for it. Still have from that high to that high, there's a little gap. It's called a candlewick gap. It's a good sign for me. Let's go to lower time frames. It's a very good sign. I want to see this low get taken out before that high gets taken out. Come on, take out that low. Perfect. That's even better. Take it out for me. There's those volume imbalances and high. Look for liquidity. Now start slamming lower. There's enough engineer liquidity. Everybody trading a 15-second chart has gone higher. It's going long. It's going long. And they're going to take it lows. They'll sell stops right here. Can't wait for it. And boom. Just like that. Chart takeaway. All right, we took everybody up here. Now we can start taking more people down here. Look at the way we closed here. The down close. The down close, we got lower. We could go higher. Army wants to get out. All right, go back to a 1 minute. We are time delayed. If engineer look clear below here, capitalizing on liquidity made above here. We capitalize on liquidity above here. Down lower to go higher. Down lower to go higher. We went forward. Back higher. Now we're still going higher. It's like riding a bull. You gotta just hang in there. You gotta hang in there. You can't let the bull shake you off. You gotta ride that bull. You gotta ride that bull. No matter how much he's trying to shake you off. Gotta stay locked in. 7 minutes, 15-minute chart, 45, 10-minute chart. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, liquidity's taken out. We've gone higher. Just to go lower. There's a bunch of liquidity right below these lows. That's what's keeping me in this trade. The fact that there is liquidity down here. All I gotta do is just wait for it. I just gotta wait for it. Wait for it. What time is it? 154. Alright, my head is still the fact that we engineer liquidity here. Engineer liquidity right here. These lows are taken out now. That's where the risk comes. Now that liquidity is taken out, now does this become a threat? Okay. We have liquidity above here. We got liquidity right below here. A lot back and forth, back and forth, back and forth price action. It's meant to scare anybody who's on side out of the market. Four minutes, and we'll open a new hour, and we'll open a new 2 hour. Scott, wait. Love waiting. If this market wanted to go higher, it would have done it by now. It doesn't seem like it wants to go any higher. Already gone higher. Got reasons to go lower. Just a matter of will they let me capitalize on their move? Will they allow me to ride on their coattails as they take the market lower? It's whether smart money wants me to be in this move or not. Because if not, it's engineering liquidity to take this high out, take everybody who's going short just like I am, and only those who could stomach a higher risk to get in. Still, it's 158. Okay, good. Look, what did I say? Take all these people who went short, take them all out, take this person out, and then start slamming it lower. Or worse, you take me out. Everybody is out of the market. Um, nobody's going short. Oh, wait on it. Just one more minute. My stop still feels safe. I still feel safe with my stop. I don't see any issue with my stop. I just feel like they're holding it. They're building anticipation. Most of the people who don't know how to trade, they are definitely going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. They're scared and confused. Most people are thinking that the market wants to go long, so they're buying at a discount. And then there's me. And then there's me. So now I'm just waiting on them to take it back lower. Baby girl. Come on. Alright, it's 2. It is 2. It's been 2. It is 2 p.m. in New York. We've gone lower. There's relative equal highs right here. And there's that high still in this candlewick gap. Just gotta sit through it. Sit through the back and forth of price action. For 15 minutes. Actually, I'm going back to a higher and higher time frame. So I gotta make sure I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm looking at. Let's take all the graffiti off. Take it all off. And focus. Focus on these time frames. That's a draw. And that's a draw. With that, that's a draw. That's a draw. That's a draw. That's in the way. So we have an order block that's in the way of a 15-minute high. I guess this is the 15-minute high. That blue. That's in the way at the moment. Keep in mind, they don't need to pay you out. The market does not need to pay you out. The market doesn't owe you any money. Just because you sat here doesn't mean it should pay you out. Alright? Tagging an order block. Going lower. I need to go use the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Okay, this market is just very fickle. It's not moving. It's not moving, but it's moving. So, a lot of patience and waiting around for it to like really give out a few handles. It's no end it though. So I'm gonna wait for it. I'm gonna do another audio test. Take off and make my next question. Testing audio. Audio. Alright, audio works. Nice. Gonna wait for it. If this thing explodes higher, all I gain is a learning lesson. Part of me just does not think this is gonna go higher. Just don't think it will. I think we're due for lower prices. I don't smoke and I don't drink, so I pop raisins. I'm always eating raisins. They're like my stress food. Patience. Learn to be a patient man. No more raisins. That makes me sad. Yeah, gotta wait. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy today besides just waiting on this. Woo! We just got one. Come on, let's go. We waited so long for this. I'll buy one, make that one, confirm it. Let's lower it to those relative equal highs. Actually, let's take the risk. Risk off. risk off completely. We're gonna wait for this 124. That's a good sign. That's a really good sign. Up for low energy. My tablet's charged. Guys, I think the sun is coming out. And the sun is coming out. This is it. This is our moment. So we got that taken out. Up there. Okay, we've gone lower. What's left behind? What's left behind? What's left behind? There's not much left behind actually. 1 hour. I go. I go to a higher time frames again. Go to a higher time. Or make any decision whether I should go long or short. I'll be going to the higher time frames. Higher time frame. Higher than that. Okay, yeah. Not that. Lower. Go higher. Lower. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That low right there. Remember, if you're too clean, you're too clean with it. So you're gonna stop you out. You need to be a little messy with it. Be a little messy with your exits. What are we doing after this, guys? What's the move after this? I'll sneeze. I am about to sneeze. It went away. Wait, it's coming back? It's gone. We are winners. We are winners. We are winning. We are here to win. We are big winners. Big, big winners. Let's say we're tying this right here. What's above it? There's that order block right there now. If I were to add one more contract, I'd probably wait for that. And like this, it's gonna take me out in 1, 2, 3. Boom. Haha. Flip that. Let's see. 141. You know what? I'm content with 141. Very content with 141. Let's see what this look like. Let's take this. That's right. Let's take a good look at it. do take those lows out. For somebody who had this one might take just as long, but you know what? I have time. I have time today. I'll wait on it. I'll wait on it. What's up, chat? How are you guys doing? I just got in another trade. I was waiting on this all day long to record and watch that later, but now I'm going long. This will be my last trade of the day. I feel like this holding all of this kind of like wore me down. Here, let me show you. Let's go to more settings. And let's see. Yeah, it's been hell of a crazy day today. Just going up and down the market. Now I'm waiting for these longs to play out. I'm gonna be conservative and take like a few. Let's make that one contract. Take more up here. Right there. That looks good. That is good. I think that's fair. That's like risk management, you know, it's not nothing too crazy. I would want to see that high taken out, this high taken out. Looks good. Studio today. I thought I'd try something new. Just gotta wait for this. I do see this wick right here. That's kind of my threat right now. I think what's keeping me in is the fact that there is an order block. 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour. Let's see what's in the way. There's fair value gap right here. That low to that low. That's fair value gap. I got the engineer waiting right above the order block. Tag delete. Just gonna have tag the fair value gap. So this order block right here from the low to the low. That's one block. Okay. Got relatively highs. We tag that. Just that order block goes to the mouth. Engineer liquidity right above here. Value gap there. This is a good time to add one more. I'm gonna add one more. Bring it down one bit. Is right now it's 227, so we are in a macro. We are capitalizing on sells right now, but there's a bunch of buy stops now above here. Buy stops above here, buy stops above here. Sell stops above low here, sell stops below here. This market just has to engineer. That's a good sign. We should bring some volatility. If we're really strong, we shouldn't take this low. We should not take that low into 2 minute. We should just start going higher without stop. We should just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. This low should not be taken out if we are strong to the upside. Wait for it. Now, we've gone lower to go higher. We're higher. Go higher to go lower. It's all a matter of waiting, taking your time with the market. A lot of patience into this, just a lot of patience. A lot of patience. All right, 18 seconds. We open a new 15-minute, new 15-minute, new 30-minute. Come on, 10, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candlestick. Okay, not bad. And start expanding. Actually, there's a candle wick right here, that low to that low, and there's that high right there. Again, it's a matter of wait time. The market sometimes takes forever to hit your target. You just gotta sit through it. Not really stress about it. You just gotta go slow. You gotta go slow. The slower you go, the better of a trader you are. You know, you gotta relax. The market do its thing. And your brain can't relax it. You gotta be thinking of probabilities back and forth. What if it does this, then that, that, and this? Okay, there we go. It's three. What did I say? It's three. No, it's one. Going, keep going. I do want to take one more. That's up to lower risk. Risk is being managed. And the next candlestick, we should just pop up higher. Let's see if we can maybe take out that high. Okay. Now I'm just gonna wait on that. Where are we at? 180. Wait, I said we were going to take 170. That's it. That's it. No more. We're done. We did it. 170. We are half of the drawdown. Let's refresh this. The hell? 170. 83. So say 291. This is an update to light into there. Let's see. 2012 now. Trainers consistency. Months. You know. You know what? Whatever. As long as we made some, as long as we made money today, we're fine. We will pass this funded challenge account gradually in time. There's enough time. There's enough trading hours in the day to pass it. We're chill. I think that's it, guys. That was fun. Had so much fun. I'll see you guys in the next one.